Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Dear students, all of us know very well that we are going to appear in our examination these days because our half yearly examination is on head. And we better understand also that for all these things we have to go through our school website. Students, to connect ourselves to the school website, what kind of problem we are facing. Many times we try to go there, but for some causes we find ourselves unable to understand what to do or not. That is why today I am making a video. It will be very much helpful for you. So please follow the steps carefully, whatever has been shown here in this video. If you follow the steps carefully, you will find everything clearly and you will be there very easily connected to the school website, and your examination will be very easy. Easy in the sense you will, by very easy process, will connect yourself to the school website, and thereafter you can appear in your examination. So students, starting to that, now first what I want to say, you have to see where is Google Chrome in your mobile. So first you have to go through Google Chrome, mobile or laptop or wherever, what is the thing that through you will connect yourself. So in my mobile you can see down to the next line in the third one, that is my Google Chrome. So this one I will click. So Google Chrome, as I will click this Google Chrome bacha, okay, now here will be this kind of screen. This is the screen, and search or type web address is there given. So here I will type www.cpsranchi.com. see, I will search here www.cpsranchi.com. I have done this one. As I open this, now this kind of beautiful screen will be before you. Okay, you can see here our school's logo and everything is there. Okay, so now top to the right side to the top position, there are three bold black line. Okay, so this one you have to click. As you will click this one, this kind of a toolbar will open before you. If you are in laptop or your desktop, this thing already will be before there in the screens, but if you are in mobile, your smartphones, so this will appear before you. Now going to this screen, down to the next means down to the second, okay, or you can say very second last option, e-learning login you have to select. As you will select this one bacha, okay, here you will see one kind you will be there, so what you will be there finding, this kind of thing you will see there. Okay, so starting to this student, you will find their username, password and all these things. Okay, see, as you go you have to put here a screen. So in the username you have to put your username. So what the username will be there, your whatever username is there, it means your name plus your account number. So now I am starting opening an ID with the name of Kriti Kumari. Okay, so especially I will start with this. Everything will be small letter Kriti. Kriti I have written, 598 is its account number. This is done. Now I will write the password. So very easy password it will be here. Password, first password letter is C, that means capital PS. Okay, CPS. Now at the rate 1234, this is now the password. I will now log in here. Okay bacha, so as we did this one, this kind of Kriti Rani's all the things are there before the screen. Okay, now in this one we have to go and to change our password. Going to the changing password, you must have to keep in your mind three things. What first is there, current password, that you have to put the current password. What was that current password student? C capital P small S small CPS at the rate 1234. Easy. Now new password we have to put. So new password, what can we put there? It must be containing 8 letters. Okay, in that one should be capital letter, one should be special letter, one should be letter. These three things is must. Now everything could be according to you. Special letters are there, you can see on the top, okay, what the special letters are there. So now I am writing this new password of Kriti, starting with K capital letter, K R I T I, Kriti. Done. At the rate. Done. 1 2 3 4 I have done. Next, that I have to confirm, K R I T I. Next, at the rate, 1 2 3 4. Okay, I have done. Now I will go on save changes. As I opened this one, see bacha, now there is a new screen there, okay, and so password has been changed, it is writing you have to continue here. So as you will continue there, students, you will stand with this new screen and it will be written here timeline and courses. So you have to click there on courses. As you will click out this courses, this type of a desktop, a screen will stand before you and you have to choose this blocked one, this part, okay, that is the classes. So as you open there, okay, you have to come, you will stand there with a class, okay, what the classes in you are, you have to select the class, and as you will go in the class option, you will find this kind of screen before you. Okay, actually I have opened the class 2 students, so that one is there. Now you will open your class. Okay, so these two screens will be there because mock test has been done, so these questions are given there, and half yearly questions are, they are not given, not uploaded, that is why the column is not showing. As it will be given and it will be uploaded, it will show very easily. So you have to go in that option, first option, term 1. Okay, mock test has been done, that is why you will see you are watching these things. Here is, the questions are not given, that is why it's not showing. So now what I will do, I will show you one thing. So I am taking out the periodical test English language. Okay, this I clicked one because this exam is already held, that is why it's showing. So this type of instruction will be given, and after that it will be given attempts 1 this is given now, and at the downside you can see attempt test. Now you have to click here. As you will click, the questions and the whole things will be there before you on the screens, and now after that you will be eligible, you will be finding yourself very easily to go with the examinations and your questions. I hope as students now you have understood all these things, and after that, after going to this video, you will have no kind of problems. Hope so you all have understood very easily, and it will help you very well. It will help you too much to connect yourself to the school's website, and also your examination will be very well. So with this great hope to all of you, now I'm saying thank you very much, and don't forget to share all your classmates. If they do not able to understand this thing and you have understood, please make them understand about all these things. Hope you all have seen the video. If you have not, don't forget, once again I am saying, don't forget to share with your friends. Go and sit with them and try to understand. It will help you to connect with the school website. Thank you very much, student, and best of luck for your examination. Thank you very much.